Hi guys, I just wanted to put a quick video together to show you how you can test whether Tag Manager that you have installed on your website is firing the correct codes on the correct pages. So I've already got Tag Manager created for my website and these are the codes I've got implemented. If I wanted to check whether these were running correctly on the right pages, so as you can see my firing triggers here are for them to go on all pages. When I go into my Tag Manager, if I go to this section here that's got publish, I can select to view it in preview mode, and when I do that it puts it into preview mode. Then I go to my website, and if I refresh my screen, what will happen is I will get a summary of the tags that are firing on my pages. So I'm on my home page at the moment, and because the rule I set was for the tags to fire on all pages, it's showing now that I've got my AdWords, my Facebook and my Google Analytics, and when I go to different pages it should maintain to fire these tags on this page. If you're looking for tags that fire on specific pages, so that might be conversion tracking, first of all what you need to do is, I'll leave preview mode just so we can go back to normal. You need to implement the tag on your Tag Manager container first. So I'm going to generate a conversion tracking code from AdWords so that I can check it's firing on the right thank you pages. So go to my AdWords account. I'm going to create the conversion tracking code first of all. So I'm just selecting that it's a conversion code that tracks account audit thank you page. Okay, so don't assign a value. Save and continue. And what it gives me is this piece of code here. Now I only need certain bits of information out of this code, so I'm just going to copy and paste that into a Word document at the moment. So this is my account audit thank you page conversion. Okay, so I've done that bit there, so that's finished. Now when I go to Tag Manager to install this code or pieces of information from the code, I'll select new, and then I'm going to put this as AdWords audit thank you page. I select that it's a Google AdWords code. I select that it's a conversion code. Now all it needs from me is the ID and the label. So this is the conversion ID that I need to put in. And then the label that I need to install is here. So this is all within the code itself when it's generated. Okay, continue. Now I don't want to fire this on all pages, I want to fire it on some, because I only want it to go once somebody reaches the account audit thank you page. As you can see, I'm trying to keep the naming as closely related to the objective as I can. So the variable we want is page URL. The operation is contains. So there's various ones you can pick here. So it's contains, and I just need to get the value now. So if I just reload this page, at the very bottom here, oh, not this page. On the very bottom of my About Us is get your audit. So if I just put a test in here. Okay, so it's / thank you. That's the relevant page that I need to give here. So I save that down. So that's it all set up. If I create the tag now, every time you create a new tag you need to publish, so that sets it live within the Tag Manager account. So if I just publish that now, okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put Tag Manager, let me just click back on that page so I can do that again. Okay, so now when I go to Tag Manager and I put it into preview mode, when I go, so it's in preview mode, when I go back to my website and I refresh, what you'll see is there's the tags that originally were there have fired, but then there's the AdWords audit tag that we've just added, and that's saying it's not fired on this page because it hasn't met the rule that we put in. So now if I fill out my details, okay, then what you should see is another tag get added there. So yes please, and there we go. So it's now put the tag has been fired for the AdWords audit thank you page because the rule that we put in was correct to that. So that's how you make sure when you're implementing tags that the tags within the container itself are firing on the correct pages. Okay, I hope that's helped everyone out. And if you've got any questions, give me a shout. It's natasha@trafficsnap.co.uk. So just there. Thanks guys, bye.